Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the document theme color in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to change the document theme color in this document. Go to the design menu, then click theme drop down menu, then choose any theme color. You can see we change the theme color, change the color, apply any color, otherwise change the font. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.